How to add citations and bibliography on Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the perfect methods that you can use and you can add the citation and bibliography on Google Docs. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my page and I have some content. So basically as a citation people use for if you're getting any, any articles or content for from outside source like web, print media, or internet data source. So you need to add the, citation. So I'll show you how can that citation. Okay, so first we need to go in tools and go to the citations. Okay, and here we have three formats, so we can use as per your requirements. So I will select the APA and go to the add citation here, and we have three options. So the content you got from print media, website, or online database, so just select whatever you want. So I select the website here, and if you have that content or website ISBN number, if you have, then you can search from here. The ISBN number is the article number which you can put here and search. It will be the detail will become automatically. But if you don't have, just go to the site manually and just select the author, editor, translator, or compiler, whatever. I just select the author, and if you have author name, then you can type the author name. And if this article the that if that article don't have the author, then you can use this option and use that article name. Like if you got the any this content from the Wikipedia, then we can type the Wikipedia here. Okay, so just type my the example name. Okay, so here the title you can use whatever. You need to add the publisher year, editions. You need to add the details here, short title and all. This is URL of this article, and this is DOI number, digital object identification number. So this digital object identification number is same for, this is like unique number for particular article. Okay, so if the article website or website address change, but your DOI identifier number doesn't change, it will be same if even the website address change. Okay, so this is DOI number. If you have that DOI number, you have to insert here. So this is very important. You have to find the DOI number and insert here, and now you can add the citation here. Okay, so you can add the citation as many you want. Okay, I just add the one here. I need to go, so I have create one citation here. Okay, so just select the content, which content you got that from that reference or that source. Just select the content from your web page, your documents, and go here in citations and just click on this site. Then this citation will be come here. And if you have any page number, if you know the page number of this reference content of this article, that you can enter the page number of this article. Okay, here the all citation you can create here, many more, and you can add the citation here. Now I will show you how you can insert the bibliography or reference. So you can insert the bibliography at top on starting, or you can add at your end of the page. Okay, so here just select the cursor or page, just put the cursor where you want to add the bibliography or reference, and go to the insert the reference. So we have the one reference here, all citation only we have one here, so we got only one citation here, and this citation has insert here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.